What's going on YouTube? Vik-Werks checking in. Another video for the 07 F-150. Today we're going to talk about the Spartan lighting from F-150 LEDs. Obviously you can see them installed. And let's go from there. Currently doing the blinker mod and upgrading to power folding mirrors. But we'll talk about this bad boy. And of course that's where I decided to cut out and use their switches itself. See how bright they really are, and just a clean install. Overall, decided to also route the wires in a more OEM type setup. So this is their main line for the power. I grounded it off that, and then it just pretty much goes there and runs through like an OEM harness. And I know they talk about the install, but on this bad boy I decided to pretty much attach it to the bracket so you're not hearing it rattle around and go from there. So yeah, a lot of meticulous hard wiring, I call it, or just trying to run a clean install and run it through the actual OEM grommet as well, because I hate running through and fishing wires and last minute stuff. So that's just my 2 cents. Now it did come with one of the retaining washers that pretty much is waterproofing connectors that comes sandwiched in between the plug itself, and they did facilitate and send that to me as soon as possible. But other than that, no complaints, except for, like I said, my previous video, I had to do a lot of touch-up paint, and questionable sometimes that sometimes it might be a used product, or is that how it came? You don't know. It's kind of unfortunate, but that's just my 2 cents. Anyways, if you like what you see, subscribe for more content. And hit the like button, comment below, let me know what you guys think. And maybe next time we'll talk about this S&B filter and pros and cons. Go from there. Alright guys, ciao for now.